Welcome to my channel. Netgear SRK60 wireless router setup. Unplug your modem's power. If it uses a backup battery, remove and reinsert it. Then plug the modem back in. Use an Ethernet cable to connect your modem to the yellow internet port on your Orbi Pro router. Connect your Orbi Pro router to a power source. The power LED on the back should light blue. Wait for the router's ring LED to light white, indicating it's ready. Place your Orbi Pro satellite within range of the router. Press the sync button on the back of the satellite, and within 2 minutes, press the sync button on the back of the router. The satellite's ring LED will light blue to indicate a good connection. If it lights amber or magenta, move the satellite closer to the router and try again. Download the app. Install the Netgear Insight app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app and follow the on-screen instructions to set up your Orbi Pro system. Launch a web browser and enter orbilogin.com in the address bar. Enter the admin username and password. The default username is admin and the password is the one you specified during initial setup. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup and customize your network settings as needed. Thanks for watching.